Hi, I have a problem for you this week. If I started work at 10:30 a.m. and finished at 4:15 p.m., how long was my shift? Go ahead and pause the video now and try and solve the problem yourself. When you think you have the answer, hit play to continue. Many teachers help students solve these types of problems with all sorts of strategies and tricks. They might try subtracting and regrouping an hour as 60 minutes. They might try using military time and converting hours after 12 o'clock in the p.m. to 13 and 14 o'clock. But my favorite, the trusty number line. The number line lets me visually see where 10:30 is when my shift starts and where 4:15 is where my shift ends. And then I can think about how can I get from 10:30 to 4:15. To get from 10:30 to 11 o'clock, that's just 30 minutes. Then I'd jump for an hour. To get to 12 o'clock, that's a good landing spot, is noon. From 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock is another 4 hours. And to get from 4 o'clock to 4:15 is just another 15 minutes. To find out how long it was from 10:30 to 4:15, I just add up all my jumps. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and then another 15 minutes. And altogether I have 5 hours and 45 minutes. The open number line continues to be one of my favorite tools for solving problems, and now you can see that it works for trying to find elapsed time, as well how much time has taken place between when something starts and when something ends. Here's a few more for you to try, so pause the video and try a few on your own. Start by drawing an open number line. Place the start and end time, and then make your way slowly from the start to the end by getting to the nearest hour and making those big, long jumps. Thanks, and keep watching.